Is your Android phone showing storage almost full again and again? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to increase storage on any Android phone without deleting important files. Watch till the end. First, let's check what is using our storage. Open Settings, tap Storage, and wait. Here you can see how much space apps, photos, videos, and other files are using. Here, you can see that 69% of the storage is occupied and 39.42 gigabytes is available. After clearing the cache, the used storage will be reduced. Cache files are temporary files that apps create to help them load faster. Over time, they can take up a lot of storage, but they're safe to delete. First, open Settings and go to Apps. Then select the apps that use a lot of storage. For example, search for Chrome and click on Chrome, tap on Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Repeat the same steps for other apps like YouTube, Gmail, File Manager, WhatsApp, Snapchat, DocScanner, Flipkart, Meesho, and others to free up space. Remember, only tap Clear Cache. Don't tap Clear Data because that will erase all your app settings and accounts. You can repeat this for other large apps to free up even more space. Clearing cache regularly helps your phone run smoother and keeps it from slowing down. So go ahead, clear your cache, and enjoy a faster, cleaner Android experience. Now you can see that 66% of the storage is occupied. Earlier, it was 69%. So after clearing the cache, the used storage has reduced. Many apps we don't use still take up storage on your phone. To free up space, open Settings and go to Apps. Then select the apps you don't use and tap Uninstall. This will free up space and help your phone run smoother. WhatsApp alone can use more than 10 gigabytes of your phone storage. First, open WhatsApp. Tap Settings, then go to Storage and Data. Now, select Manage Storage. Here, you'll see large videos and forwarded files. Delete the ones you don't need. Don't worry, your important chats will not be deleted. Now open the Play Store and install Files by Google. Once installed, open the app and tap on Clean. Here, you'll see junk files and duplicate files. Review them once and delete safely to free up space. This step alone can clear a lot of storage. Many useless files stay inside the Downloads folder. Open File Manager, tap Downloads. Delete old APK files, PDFs, and videos you don't need. If your phone supports an SD card, this step frees a lot of storage. Open File Manager and go to Internal Storage. Select Large Files, tap Move, choose SD card. Now you can see your Android phone is faster and running smoothly again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful mobile tips. Comment below if you want the next Android trick. Thanks for watching.